Here's how to get a command block in Minecraft. Start a new single player world, and when creating the world, make sure that the allowed cheats is turned on. This is essential for the command to work. If you're playing with friends, enable cheats when you open the game to LAN as well. And once the world loads, press the T key to open the chat. Type in the following command and replace your Minecraft username with your actual in game name. Then press enter, and a command block will appear in your inventory. Place the command block, and you can now click on it to enter commands. For example, you can type say hi and click on done. Place a button next to the command block. When you press the button, the command block will execute the command and display hi. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.